Oh, hi. Hello everyone and welcome back to Shout Out Sunday, the weekly video where I try to give you some tips and encouragement and shout some people out and do some things. Anyway, okay, so today's tip of the week, hey, you should really do this. I'm gonna be talking to you about upload defaults. I don't know if you're using them, and if you're already using them, then more power to you, but this is something that I find saves me a lot of time when it comes to my uploads. There's a few things that you need to know. I'm gonna show you how to find it, what to do with it. Okay, so first of all, you can access Creator Studio from this top right hand sort of thing where your logo is. You click on Creator Studio, it'll take you to the back end of your channel. Go down to Channel and then to Upload Defaults. And here you have something that you can set up on your own here to reflect. This is your description here, and all of this is preloaded into all of my things. You can change the type of video you're gonna do. I always keep it to how-to and whatnots because that's mostly what I do. So here, essentially, the only thing that I change is this top sentence here, how to make, that's my description, and then any supplies that I need to list. And if you scroll down here, all of this stuff is preloaded. Also, you know, any music that you're crediting, all of this stuff is preloaded. Here's my channel description that I pop into every single one of my things. And here is, there was a lot of confusion last week about where to put those hashtags. Here they go, put them at the bottom of your description. That's where they go, and that's how they populate. Also, tags, this is just general tags that I then go in and delete and amend and add to, but my video will upload by default with these general tags that I always seem to use, and then I pick and choose from there. And that's pretty much it. You can change a bunch of things here, then you want to hit save on that top right there. And then every single upload that you do, you see you can change a number of things. Once you're monetized, you can do all of that stuff as well. But once you hit save, and then you're all set. You can obviously amend any of that once you upload, but if you're someone that's always typing in your links and this, that, and the other, this is a way to sort of standardize that kind of thing so that you don't have to do it every single time, especially with tags. If there are a number of tags that you always use, it's always good to put them in there, and then you can, before you hit, publish, you can go in and amend them. But this is a way to save you a little bit of time. What you say to me, bruh? And today for the comment of the week, I'm actually gonna shout out the lack of comments. I uploaded a video last week, which was my custom sort of Nerf blaster, and I did a joke in it, and I'm always kind of like, how is this going to be received? I'm not really sure. Did it get creepy? The video's got it was very successful. It's got great views and they're still kind of rolling in, but very few comments, and I think I kind of freaked out or creeped out a few people, so I'm sorry if that's what happened. I'm just gonna shout out anyone that kind of got the joke, I guess. The whole video was centered around this joke, I think. So I'm sorry for creeping you out. If you watched the video and you were like, I'm not gonna comment on this. This was downright pornographic. It isn't, so calm down. But I'll link the channel here and see if maybe you want to take a little look. What you watching, fam? So this week I wanted to shout out Pragmatik. Okay, look, I like watching, gaming channels, but I also like watching movie channels, and there's a lot of gaming reviews and movie reviews, which are cool and that's great, but you're always really kind of listening to somebody's opinion, and that isn't really that entertaining to me per se. So what I love is analysis, like game analysis and film analysis, and Pragmatik tends to do that. There's a lot of research in his videos, and I think it's really great. You should go check him out. He just did a recent video on the kind of the demise of the gaming booklet that used to come with every game that you purchased, how that's not necessary anymore and where did they go, and he sort of tracks the history of them, why they were created in the first place, and why they're no longer a thing. So I think that's pretty cool because he sort of takes a little bit of a different spin and tries to kind of give you the history and analyze what's sort of going on within gaming. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today because I just got bored of making this video. But before I let you go, just want to say one last thing. Roll the thing!